Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Kalodata for TikTok Shop, boost your sales on TikTok Shop affiliate. So let's get started. So here we are in Kalodata and we are currently logged in. So all you have to do is go into kalodata.com and log in if you already have an account. If not, then you can have a 7-day free trial when you sign up. So from here, this is what you will see when you log in. So Kalodata is a very powerful tool in TikTok Shop. So if you use this the right way in improving your TikTok strategies, this would really help you a lot. So from here, you can get information about your competitors list, affiliate creators, trending products, hot lives, hot videos, brand strategy, top products right here, and so on. Even the top creators, top shops, top videos, top live streams right here. So you could get the information from the best TikTok shops right here so that you could employ their strategies. So for example, I want to go into this shop right here. It has 171,000 in revenue. So I'm going to click on that. And from here, I would be able to get the information from this shop. And as you can see right here, the revenue, live revenue, video revenue, and so on, even their products right here. But I would need to upgrade my plan in order for me to see this. And you can see their videos right here that are doing really well. As you can see in this ad that they posted, they got $5,000 for this one with this views and so on. And when I click on that, as you can see, it would load me up with more specific data regarding that product, and I can play the video right here, and this is how it would look like. And you can even go to the TikTok video link itself. So when you click on that, you will now be prompted into the post itself right here. So Kalodata is very powerful in terms of that. And then you can have more products that is being sold from the store, more statistics, and more similar videos regarding that product right here. So if you're in the niche of jewelry, then this might be the perfect shop for you to learn from, to get to study in, and so on. So let's go back right here. And from here, let's say that we would want to find a winning product. So what we can do is we can click here on trending products. And from here, you can just search for your category. So let's say our category would be sports right there. And then from here, we can click on get the answer. And now we have this right here, this result. So let's just wait for it to load, and here we have it. We now have the top products that we can sell right here. So being in the higher rank doesn't really mean that that would be the best product for you. Of course, it would take for some just a little bit of analyzation if you think that product would work great for your shop. So for example, we would want this tumbler right here. You can click on that. And then from here in this product, you'd be able to see the revenue that was made from this product, the items sold with this product, average unit price, and the creators that are selling this product also. And the related videos right here. So these are your competitors. So you can see what kind of advantage should you create in order for you to get the better of them, or you could learn from them right here. So let's say you can go for the creator info, this creator right here, but in this case, let's just go for the video. So this is the top one video, so we're gonna click on that. And from here, you want to learn as much as possible from this video on how it was made into a cinematic type of video right here for the product. This is the top one video with a revenue of $843 right here in the sports niche, and you have more similar videos right here that you can use. So yeah, you can just research like this one right here. You can even click on the download video script right here, and then you would have the script for that video. So for example, that similar video has a dialogue on it. You can actually export the dialogue from it. So for example, let's find a product that has a dialogue that someone is talking about it. So actually we can go for this one right here, for example, and then we can go to its videos right here, and it would need me, as you can see, I have no more visits remaining. So I'll just go back here and to this one right here, click on that, and then as you can see, export script, and then you would actually be able to use the script from this product, and then you would be able to use Calo AI in order for you to make that script better, so that when you use it, you would have the advantage of using the AI on it, and you would be able to make better version of that script. As you can see, it's exporting the script right here, and there you go, it's now done. And let's just wait for that, and you can click on AI optimize right here. And now, as you can see right here, we now have Calo AI, and from here we can modify our script. We can make it better using Calo AI. We can make the script shorter, we can make it more passionate, or even emphasize the selling point so that it would be clear for the viewers. So this is another tool that is provided by Calo AI itself in the platform that you can use to get ahead of your competitors. So it's like ChatGPT. So that is basically it on how you can use Calo AI for your TikTok journey, especially when you're an affiliate. This will be really, really useful. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.